We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at this 8.5 by 30 foot gooseneck deckover trailer with mega ramps. This does have the IBeam build, your gooseneck with the safety chains. This does have chain baskets at the front of the trailer, heavy duty jack on both sides, built-in tie-down points, stake pockets along the trailer. The floor is pressure treated wood. This is a deckover trailer, so it's going to be 8.5 feet wide, going over your tires. It's a tandem axle with two Greaseable 7K axles. You're going to have 16-inch wheels and tires. Here we have the mega ramps. These ramps support up to 10,000 pounds. Underneath them, you do have your self-cleaning dovetail. There is a spare tire holder up at the front. And once again, this is going to be our 8.5 by 30 foot gooseneck equipment trailer with mega ramps. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.